Lekki Phase 1 was once too far. So was Eleko. So was Lekki. Today, the people who bought early are winning. Now, attention is shifting towards the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Road, and smart investors are already positioning themselves. I'm standing inside a commercial estate strategically located directly along the major route, an area with strong future potential as development continues to expand. One thing about major roads, they attract movement, businesses, and demand. And where demands grow, property value follows. This is more than buying land. It's about getting in early before price rise with development. 500 square meters is going for 60 million naira, and 1,000 square meters is going for 100 million naira. Secure your plot today with just 5 million naira commitment fee. The best time to position yourself is before everyone else catches on. For more information and inquiry on downtown commercial estate, kindly reach out to me on the WhatsApp number on the screen. And do remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the subscribe button, and also follow me on other social media platforms. My name is Funke of Valuable Properties.